A boy went back to Napoli because he missed the scenery, the native dances and the charming songs. But wait a minute, something's wrong, 'cause now...
Hey mambo, mambo Italiano, hey hey mambo, mambo Italiano, go go go. You mixed up a Siciliano, all you Calabrese do the mambo like a crazy with a hey mambo Italiano.
Ciao, we are back with another makeup look. This one is a Sophia Loren inspired look, as you can tell by the title. It's going to be part of my playlist for the World Series. I already have a Paris one done, so if you want to check that one out, I will have it linked down below. But Italy is near and dear to my heart. My background is Italian as well, and Sophia Loren was just one of those icons for me that was even bigger than Audrey Hepburn and Marilyn Monroe. I kind of gravitated towards Sophia Loren a little bit more, and yeah, I was just inspired to do this look. I think it would be very suitable wear for the summer that's coming up. So I also want to take this moment to say hello to a couple new subscribers. I've noticed in the last week we have grown, so welcome to my channel, and I'm glad to have you guys here, and I hope that you enjoyed this makeup look. So we're just going to jump right into it. I'm going to start by doing my brows today. Sophia Loren had pretty full brows, but they were always shaped in all of her films and any appearances that she made. So we're just going to keep a pretty full brow. So I'm taking a mix of Wander and Power Play from my Tartelette palette. I'm going to mix these two together for the base on the lid. And then with a blender brush, I'm just going to blend this so it's even on the crease. And Sophia Loren is famous for having that feline cat eye flick, so that's what we're going to try to achieve for this look today. Then I'm going to go in with the pointed edge side and just do the inner corner, and then also clean up. So once I'm looking straight ahead and I'm pretty happy with how the liner is matching up on each side, now I'm going to go in on the bottom, and kind of on your bottom lash line you're going to connect those lines. This was a trick that Sophia Loren did to really get that exotic almond eye shape, and then there's a second trick that she did that's going to be coming up as well. So I'm going to make a little dot. I'm probably going to start right about there. Leave a gap in between your bottom and your lower wing. And she made it a little bit thicker on the bottom row, just to really give that shape to the eye. And just extend it slightly past the eye. connecting it to the top. Once you have that outlined, you're going to take a white pencil and you're going to kind of make a triangle right in between where the two eyeliners would meet. Then I'm going to go in with a smaller brush just to blend out that white. This is the NYX Milk pencil and it's quite big and it's hard to get in small spaces. And then you're just going to go back with your black eyeliner and redefine the bottom line. For mascara, I'm going to use L'Oreal's Paradise Lash as well as some false lashes to even give more of the cat eye shape. When I'm putting my mascara on my bottom lashes, I'm really just focusing on the ends. If I was to attach them all the way to the root, I am going to kind of make this illusion of the eye disappear because you're going to see my lashes coming out from where the black and the white are. So just make sure you focus on the lower lash, and that's going to make it appear as if your lashes are coming from the lower part of the eye. Okay, so lashes are on, and this is pretty much the finished eye look. Now I'm going to move on to bronzing the face, a little bit of blush, and then creating that nude pink lip that she is famous for wearing. To darken up my face a little bit, I'm going to use the Milk Chocolate Soleil Light to Medium Bronzer by Too Faced. And just bronze as you normally would. It's just going to give you that sun-kissed look. The pictures that I had seen, she doesn't look like she wears a lot of blush, so I'm just going with Parday by Tarte. It's a very subtle blush color, so that if she was wearing blush, it's just something very light and bronzy pink. This was not the era of highlights, as sad as that is to say, so I'm not including any highlighter because looking back in like the 1950s, they didn't really use that trick. So we're going to leave highlighter out and I'm going to move on straight to the lips. Now in a lot of the pictures that I'm basing this off of, she has a very neutral lip with maybe a hint of pink. So for the base, I'm going to use Beige Pop by Clinique. Now you could just leave it with Beige Pop, but I'm going to use a little bit of Milani lipstick in Nude Creme. Just kind of focusing more on the outer portion of the lip. And that was my last step in recreating the Sophia Loren inspired Italian look. I think this look is going to be super cute for the summer, and headscarves are coming back in. I know I'm going to be wearing a couple of headscarves this summer myself. Well, thank you so much guys for making it to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this recreation. I'm kind of coming up with looks along the way for a world, and this one is going to go under Italy. So next up, I'm thinking to do kind of like a Spanish vibe makeup tutorial, what they have trending and everything, but I just wanted to take a little bit of time to go back in time and recreate a look like this. So I hope to catch you in my next video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you then. Bye guys.
You don't have to go to the school. Choose to make it with a beat the bambino. It's like a bean. Kid, you good looking, but you don't know what you're cooking. Do you? Hey, mambo, mambo.